penalties on repeat gun offenders. Live at the anchor desk, Bob Roberts, News Radio on 105.9 FM. A month-long sting aimed at reducing sex trafficking in the Chicago area has netted more than 200 arrests in Cook County. Cook County Sheriff Tom Dart says 230 arrests were in Cook County, one of them a 15-year-old boy. Nationwide, 32 underage girls who had been lured into human trafficking were recovered. There were 71 human trafficking arrests.
The first lawsuit is filed over contaminated soil at a housing project and school in East Chicago, Indiana. Attorneys for the city of East Chicago aren't commenting yet, but Barry Bruce, a Merrillville lawyer, has plenty to say, promising to file a lawsuit on behalf of Paris Smith, a Hammond woman who lived 2 years at the West Calumet housing complex, where soil is highly contaminated with lead and arsenic. She has 4 children. Bruce tells the Northwest Indiana Times Smith was pregnant while living there and wasn't told about the contamination, which exceeds the EPA threshold for emergency cleanup.
Wendy's
News Radio on 105.9 FM.
DuPage County is not immune to people struggling to put food
go.
on the table.
Nope, I don't want to go to
A food
Wendy's.
pantry will open once a week at Anna M. Jeans Elementary School in Willowbrook.
37,000 children in DuPage County are uncertain where the next meal is coming from.
Deb Baker is Executive Director of HCS Family Services in DuPage County.
The school is in a high-need area.
You're not taking pictures
with
of it.
currently
No.
been